got a squirt. Help me pack those, seriously. Like, I gotta leave in 2 hours. I need some help. All hands on deck. Come on, all hands on deck, let's go. Gotta get ready. Guys, take a pill. I know you like playing, but take a pill. I'm trying to do a little filming. Wow. The date, February 17th, 2018. Today marks the date of my first international trip of 2018. Right now I'm getting packed though. My flight leaves in how long, Lucky? That's right, 2 hours. And look how empty my suitcase is. Bear with me as I pack up and get ready for the most epic trip of 2018 so far, at least on this channel. Bye-bye, Scooter. Be good. See ya. It's official. I'm out of here. I got a split. Flight leaves in about 2 hours. It's an international flight, so I think I have to check in like an hour beforehand. This is just typical John B antics here. Always cutting it close. Will do. See you guys. Love you. Thanks for the ride. We're officially ready. Got my ticket. Next stop is Sweden. Current time back home is probably 11 p.m. I think. There's 5 hours left on this plane until we touch down into Stockholm, Sweden. And once I get in Stockholm, it's like a 9-hour layover. So this trip is like just not even getting started. But after that 9-hour layover, I should be to where I want to be in an hour. This is a mess. I'm so tired. I'm gonna try to get some sleep right now. Yeah, I'm pooped. I'm gonna put the camera away. I'm gonna put the computer away. I'm gonna rest. Hopefully when I wake up, I'll be in Sweden. Made it to Sweden. Oh man, this is what it's like to be in Sweden. I'm in Stockholm right now. This is not my final destination. I've got another hour in the air until I finally made it to where I want to be. But the thing is my flight isn't until, I don't know, 7:30 p.m. and the current time is 11:58. So I've got quite the layover. I'm trying to stay up and at 'em and like wide open. I literally got 3 hours sleep last night on the plane. My time is all messed up. Like I got some bad news though, you guys. It just dawned on me when I was going through customs. I completely forgot my rods. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I just looked up to see if there's any tackle stores near where I'm gonna be staying, and I think there's maybe one, but their hours are kind of janky, so I have to figure out a time in which I can go there tomorrow morning, bright and early. Didn't have any rods for the Amazon trip, not gonna have any rods for this trip. I never freak out at this kind of stuff. I think most people would be like, oh my God, I forgot my rods. But for me, it's just like, okay, here we go again. I generally don't have plans for these trips. Like right now, I just have hotels booked. I don't have an itinerary, which is good, which means I have a wide open schedule to just do whatever. And that's the way you guys should travel. Never have a strict itinerary. Have like an outline, have a structure to your plan. But when it comes to making moves, whether you're gonna go fish this lake or that lake, don't make any of those plans until you get there. That's a John B tip. It's not the best John B tip, but it's something to really consider. In the meantime, I'm going to try to be productive and just get completely lost in this airport. I've got like 8 hours to kill, so just ripped a few shots of espresso, so that should hold me off for a bit. Hopefully I don't fall asleep and miss my flight. Very possible though, like I am so dead. Wish me luck, guys.
Kairi, open your eyes. It's no use. That girl has lost her heart.
Oh, so this is it. This is my last flight for the night. I don't think I could do one more. I'm beyond just slapped. Hello. Best Western?
Yeah?
Oh, jeez.
Yo, so,
Almost died there.
yeah.
Found a cab.
This is clutch.
Awesome. Take care.
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh, this has been some rodeo, guys. I don't know how I got here, but I managed to do it. Oh, I gotta press what floor I want to get on right there, number 4. I've made it to my hotel. This is not where I'm actually gonna be staying. This is just for tonight. And then tomorrow I go to the actually like really sick, cool hotel, which you guys will find pretty cool. But this is just very temporary. But I've made it to Lula. Oh my gosh. Yes. Full 16-hour day of traveling ends here. Welcome to Lula, my friends. I still don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. A few things I've observed after landing here in Lula is, 1, they drive on the US side of the road. That kind of caught me off guard. 2, there is a ton of snow. Driving here, there's snow mounds on each side of the road that are 3 times my height. There's a lot of snow here. Number 3, it's not as cold as I thought it would be. It's about the same temp as it is back home in Illinois, although this is considered subarctic territory. What else? Everyone's very nice. Everyone is very blonde. People are generally tall here. That's just a few things I've observed right off the bat. While I only have like 3 or 4 hours of sleep in my body for the past 2 days. And since I can't sleep, I'm gonna walk around town for a bit and see what this city is like at night and bring you guys along with. Maybe, I don't know, check out the bar scene. That's not a good idea. Let's not do that. I'm gonna explore. I've got only 5 days here in Sweden and I wanna make the most of it. I wanna go to bed late and wake up early. I want to really feel fulfilled by the time I get on that plane from Sweden back to Chicago. So with that being said, I'm going to just pretend like I'm not tired and I'm just gonna walk around this town of Lulea. God, I keep butchering it. I know I do. It is just so pretty here, man. Like, I'm not one of those guys who'd be like, wow, this place is gorgeous, but it really is. First thing I want to check out is this giant moose. Look how much snow they have here. What the hell? That's craziness. Look at this. Like, that is a lot of snow. I wasn't kidding when I said there's a ton of snow out here right now. Gnarly. Look at this moose. This thing is huge. But I walked all the way down here for a moose. Big light up moose. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching today's video. There it is. I guess this is it, what I came here for, just the light up moose. 11:30 p.m. on a Sunday here in Lula. Pretty much is a ghost town. I don't know what the word is. It's not eerie. I think the word is peaceful. It's got a very like tranquil feel. This place is just dead silent. Like, I know why it's dead silent right now, but even so, like, something about this place just seems like very quiet. Like there's just nothing going on. I've literally just been walking around all these closed storefronts for the past 10-15 minutes, and this place is really cool. I can't read anything. I don't know how to speak Swedish. I'm just trying to absorb as much as I possibly can. One thing I want to say before I head back to the hotel is I want to say thank you. Thank you to all my Sweden viewers for extending an open invitation to fish with you. I can't believe how many people in Sweden watch my videos. That's crazy. That really freaked me out in a good way. I gotta get back to the hotel though. I'm freezing my wiener off right now. It's so cold. Can't do it. I gotta go to bed. I think when I first landed, I got like this huge adrenaline rush. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna explore the city. And here I am now. I'm back in my hotel room. It is pretty late, I will admit. It's like 12 a.m. I'm primo pooped right now. Tomorrow should be a whole nother story. I know today's vlog was primarily traveling and me complaining about how tired I am. Just some cool B-roll. But tomorrow's gonna be different. In the AM, I'm going to wake up early, try to find a car that I can rent. If I can't find a car, I'm gonna get a taxi and drive to the Tree Hotel, which I'm just like unbelievably excited to share with you guys. And then I do believe I'm going to meet up with another YouTuber and some local Swedish anglers, which is incredible. I mean, I just can't believe that like 8 hours ago, an angler from Sweden reached out to me and was like, hey, you know, if you're available, let's do some fishing. And then all of a sudden this fishing trip developed out of thin air. Like, this trip was supposed to be like a little bit of fishing and mostly sightseeing, but now it sounds like it's gonna be like 50-50, like it's gonna be largely fishing and largely sightseeing. I'm gonna end today on this note. I'm gonna scarf down some cheese doodles. If you enjoyed today's vlog, be sure to leave a like. That's good. Stay tuned for this little mini series. I appreciate the view. And as always, keep fishing. Never stop.